Hello students, again welcome to the online class session of accountancy. The same chapter I am continuing today. Change in PSR, that is profit sharing ratio among existing partners. Okay, the same topic is there as explained to you in the previous online class session. Accounting treatment of reserves, accumulated profits and the losses when there is change in profit sharing ratio among existing partners. Okay, the same question 26 will be explained to you today also, but the second case related to the same question will be explained. Okay, first case I explained you yesterday. Now I will explain you the second case. We are moving one step forward now in the questions related to workman compensation reserve. That was the initial stage. That is case number first. Now one step forward we are moving. One more step we are climbing towards WCR explanation. Similarly, the third step we will climb tomorrow. In this way, I will explain you WCR sign percent. Okay, right. So now question number 26. Again, you can see if you have deleted the screenshot of the question, you can just take the screenshot of the same question once again. Case second, I am just explaining you today. 26 question, second part. Now, just I am reading out the question. Yesterday I explained you the question 26 case first. Okay. In that case, only the figure related to WCR was given in the balance sheet on the liability side only. Okay, beta. Now, an additional information is also given. That is the information after balance sheet. Information after balance sheet is known as adjusted information or say additional information. Okay, additional information also mentioned. Okay, in such type of cases, one more addition to our previous journal entry we are going to make on the credit side of the previous journal entry I explained you yesterday. What you need to add to provision for workman compensation claim. Okay, provision for FOR. You add 4 also. Right. Now, in balance sheet, we will be provided figure related to WCR workman compensation reserve, and as an additional information, the figure related to the claim of WCR will also be mentioned in the question. That is, on the basis of the past experiences, whatever business owner thinks that this much reserve should be kept within the firm regarding workman compensation reserve, that is to meet the injuries or accidents caused to the workers, at least this much amount should be present as a reserve in WCR. That reserve will be left behind out of the amount standing related to WCR in the balance sheet. For example, case second is given to you in the book. In case second, the liability side is showing WCR figure 40,000 rupees. How much it is showing? 40,000 rupees. And in the additional information it is mentioned that claim on account of WCR, workman compensation, is estimated 25,000. There is forecasting that in this year 25,000 rupees can be a claim regarding WCR. So out of 40,000 rupees, we should keep 25,000 rupees as a reserve to meet future claim of the worker. Right? If there is claim from the worker side, then for recovering, for meeting those claims regarding workers' injuries, workers' accidents, the money will be taken out of this 25,000 rupees. So out of 40,000, 25,000 rupees will be kept as a reserve. Okay, reserve already I explained you. Reserve is a liability. Whenever liability increases, is shown on the credit side. WCR account debit. ठीक है, amount is 40,000 rupees. Amount is 40,000 rupees. Out of this, how much amount is to be kept as a reserve? 25,000. ठीक है, 25,000. 40 minus 25,000, 15,000 rupees. This 15,000 rupees will be distributed among the workers in the profit, or not among the worker, among the partners in the old profit sharing ratio, because this 15,000 remain idle in the company. Okay, and whatever reserve is left behind within the business unit is to be distributed among old partners of the change in PSR, profit sharing ratio, and hence we distributed 40,000 minus 25,000, 15,000 among the old partners in the old ratio. See the solution of the second part. Workman compensation reserve account debit. How much was appearing on the liability side? 40,000 rupees. Out of this 40,000 rupees, the provision to be related to workman compensation reserve is 25,000. Provision means we should accumulate or kept accumulated 25,000 out of 40,000 rupees as workman compensation claim. It can be claimed by the workers or can't be claimed also. May not be claimed also. Okay, it depends on the situation. It depends on the accidents within the organization. If the workers met with the accident, then we have to use this 25,000 rupees. Otherwise, not. Remaining portion of WCR 40,000 minus 25,000 is the amount of reserve which is to be distributed among A and B, the old partners in the old ratio, and hence we have distributed. So we have done 40,000 minus 25,000, we get 15,000, and 15,000 is distributed in the old ratio. 15,000 multiplied by 2 upon 5, we will get 6,000 rupees, and 15,000 multiplied by 3 upon 5, that is 9,000 rupees. Okay, first of all you take the screenshot of the solution which I have just mentioned on the green boards. Take the left hand side, click of the solution first of all. Now take the screenshot of the right hand side solution. See here, note down the conclusion of this question. To meet the accidents related to the workers, we maintained the reserve last year and the amount was 40,000 rupees. This year it is estimated that there can be a claim from the worker side. There may be accidents within the organization. The accidents forecasting was done of rupees 25,000. So out of 40,000 rupees, 25,000 rupees will be withheld in the organization. It will be held in the organization as by the name of WCR in this year also. Remaining portion, that is 40,000 minus 25,000 of WCR, will be distributed among old partners in the old ratio, and the same I have done here. Okay, this is the conclusion of the explanation. Right, repeatedly you watch the video. I will share this YouTube video link and your WhatsApp class group. Okay, repeatedly you watch the video. If there is any query, then you get your queries solved. Okay, by sharing your problems with me, I will solve your problems. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.